Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal, and today we're updating about some Vanderhall news. There's still no top, and I haven't done anything. So the update is kind of boring because it's been so hot, like over 100 every day for the last 2 weeks, basically, that I hardly have driven the Vanderhall. It's just too hot. So I drove it to like dinner one night, and yeah, that's it. But I've also been super busy. I've been painting a lot, and I've started taking orders for the wind wings that are currently not on here because I took them off because I had to figure out spacing and take some measurements and stuff, because I just made that one pair to start and had no real intention on selling them, but I've had a whole bunch of people want them. So I've had to order new hardware and more acrylic and do a lot of manual labor. So I had to make a whole bunch of stuff for that, and I'm really just going to make a video today about how to install these, which you're not going to see. I just want to be able to have that for support for the people that I send these out to, so they can see kind of a step-by-step on how to install them. Not that it's super complicated, but people like videos. Yeah. So that's kind of it. I really don't have much to talk about because I haven't done anything with the Vanderhall. I don't really have any upcoming events that I'm doing, or at least that I've scheduled. So it's just been too hot. Hopefully we get into some new content pretty soon. I did just last night order the B&R tune for this. So when they ship those and I get that and I take the like 10 whole minutes it takes to install that tune, because it's just a little programmer and it's a couple steps, I'm going to put that on there. But I'm going to do a before and after. So I'm going to go out and see if I can time some 0 to 60 and 0 to 100 pulls in this thing, and then do it with the tune and compare those two and just kind of see my overall thoughts on the B&R tune. Everybody says it's amazing, so I'm sure I'm going to love it. So we're going to do that on the next video, hopefully they get them to me quick enough and we can kind of keep this process going. But I've really no idea what's going to be coming next. But yeah, here's a little time lapse of making some wind wings for the Vanderhall. Making a mess, drilling through aluminum, cutting aluminum, drilling through it, and sanding a little bit. So yeah, this is my little setup. I got my little bandsaw and drill press, a little sander. This is not the most accurate way to cut all of this, but it's all I've got. Already had the bandsaw, already had the sander, and I borrowed this drill press from a guy at work. And then he forgot to send me the safety key, so if you ever lose the safety key to your Craftsman drill press or whatever, a couple zip ties just stuffed in there seems to do the trick. You know, it's safe. So I've got these all cut and drilled out and everything, but the edges are still just, I mean, they're not sharp because obviously it's sanded down and, you know, as clean as I can get it. But I tried to basically clear this edge so that it wasn't frosted looking. And I've been using this torch. Well, it definitely doesn't clear the edge perfectly, or maybe really at all, but what it does is it takes this sharp edge and rounds it over, so it definitely is smoother, and that's the general idea. It doesn't have to be super clear on the edge because it's not a real fat, thick piece. So this is the fun part though, because you get to play with fire. So yeah. Alright, so the first 4 wind wings that are going out to customers are done. I've got my set that I've pretty much butchered to make the new sets. I've got a whole nother round started, and I've got these 4 ready to ship. These are already paid for and everything, so they'll go out first thing Monday. If I have some more time tomorrow, then I'll get these other 5 going, because I have that many people that already want them. So it's came together nicely. I do need some more hardware. Like, even after I bought tons of hardware, I only have 3 more sets that are full ready sets to go, and then I've got a couple more where I need well, I've got more hinges, but what I ran out of were set screws to go on the bottom side, because the set screws they come with are too short. So I've got some longer ones, but I ran out. I didn't order enough, so I got another couple of those. So I've already got hinges ready to rock, but I need more set screws. So yeah, so that's it. Pretty good productive day of getting all these wind wings set up. I already cleaned up my work area because it was covered in plastic and metal and wood and everything else. But that's it, we're done for today anyways. I've still got to get this video edited, and I've still got to make a little simple instruction sheet that I'm going to include with those, because I feel like even as simple as it is to put on, people are still a little like, well, where does this go, what does this do? So I still got to do that. But that's kind of it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.